Fluorite is a very popular mineral, and it naturally occurs in all colors of the spectrum. It is one of the most varied colored minerals in the mineral kingdom, and the colors may be very intense and almost electric. Pure fluorite is colorless. The color variations are caused by various impurities. Some colors are deeply colored, and are especially pretty in large well-formed crystals, which fluorite often forms. Sometimes coloring is caused by hydrocarbons, which can be removed from a specimen by heating. Some dealers may apply oil treatment upon amateur fluorite specimens to enhance luster. Fluorite has interesting cleavage habits. The perfect cleavage parallel to the octahedral faces can sometimes be peeled off to smooth out a crystal into a perfect octahedron. Many crystals, especially larger ones, have their edges or sections chipped off because of the cleavage. Fluorite is one of the more famous fluorescent minerals. Many specimens strongly fluoresce, in a great variation of color. In fact, the word, fluorescent, is derived from the mineral fluorite. The name of the element fluorine is also derived from fluorite, as fluorite is by far the most common and well-known fluorine mineral. Fluorite is a halide mineral with chemical formula as calcium fluoride, CaF2. Also called fluorspar, it is usually quite pure, but as much as 20% yttrium or cerium may replace calcium. Fluorite occurs most commonly as a glassy, many-hued vein mineral and is often associated with lead and silver ores. It also occurs in cavities, in sedimentary rocks, in pegmatites, and in hot spring areas. An important industrial mineral, fluorite commonly occurs as vibrant, well-formed crystals. A single crystal may have zones of different colors that follow the contour of the crystal faces. Fluorite crystals are widely found in cubes, while fluorite octahedra, which are often twinned, are much less common. The mineral can also be massive, granular, or compact. Fluorite occurs in hydrothermal deposits and is an accessory mineral in intermediate intrusive and silica-rich rocks. It is used in the manufacture of high-octane fuels and steel and in the production of hydrofluoric acid. Bonowitz, 2012.